backend interface that powers the Palace app is hosted and maintained by lyricists. And so there are lyricist staff who provide technical support. It's as easy as emailing support@thepalaceproject.org if you have any issues or concerns with your library and it working in Palace.
And there's also the community hub, right?
Oh, yes, absolutely. So beyond just technical support, additional community support is available through the Palace Community Hub, where librarians and their staff across the country who have deployed Palace are actively engaging with lyricist staff, with DPLA staff, to talk about broader topics within the ecosystem, not just about mobile devices and mobile apps, but about licensing terms and publisher agreements in ways that we can change the field more broadly going forward.